The drone world is currently standing on the edge of a massive revolution. And if the latest whispers from the supply chain are to be believed, DJI is about to shatter every limitation we thought existed for sub-250-gram drones. For years, the Mini series has been the gold standard for hobbyists and travelers. But what we are seeing in the early leaks for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro suggests a shift from capable toy to a legitimate Mavic killer. While the Mini 5 Pro recently pushed boundaries with its 1-inch sensor and LiDAR-assisted night sensing, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the first drone in this weight class to bridge the gap into true professional cinema territory. We're talking about a complete redesign of the internal architecture to accommodate a sensor that shouldn't even fit in a drone this small. The rumors aren't just about a slight bump in resolution. They are pointing toward a total overhaul of the flight dynamics, transmission stability, and AI-driven autonomy that could make even the most seasoned pilots question why they're still carrying around bulky, expensive enterprise rigs. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The most explosive leaks surfacing from reliable insiders suggest that DJI is targeting a staggering 6K video resolution at 60 frames per second for the Mini 6 Pro. To achieve this, the sensor isn't just getting larger in terms of physical dimensions. It's reportedly utilizing a new high-speed readout architecture that eliminates rolling shutter almost entirely. Imagine capturing fast-moving subjects or performing high-speed orbits without that jello effect that has plagued small sensors for a decade. This move to 6K is a calculated power play. It gives creators the ability to crop into a 4K timeline with significant room to spare, effectively giving you a lossless digital zoom that mimics the telephoto lenses found on the much more expensive Mavic 3 series. This would be a game-changer for those who need to maintain a safe distance from their subjects while still getting that intimate, tight shot that usually requires a drone twice this size. But the camera is only half the story. The real magic of the Mini 6 Pro leaks lies in the rumored O5 transmission system. Currently, the O4 system is incredibly robust, but the next generation is expected to utilize a hybrid 5G and satellite-link frequency hopping technology. What does this mean for you as a pilot? It means that in high-interference environments like downtown New York or dense forests, your signal won't just be stable. It will be virtually unbreakable. We are hearing reports of a 20-kilometer range with a full 1080p, 60 frames per second live feed that has zero perceptible latency. This isn't just about flying further. It's about the confidence to fly behind obstacles or through structures where traditional signals would normally drop. For the faceless creator or the solo traveler, this level of reliability is the difference between getting the shot of a lifetime and losing a $1,000 piece of equipment. Another massive leap forward is the integration of Nightscape LiDAR 2.0. While the current generation introduced basic LiDAR for low-light obstacle avoidance, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to use this data for more than just safety. Leaks suggest the drone will use its LiDAR array to build a real-time 3D map of its surroundings, allowing for a cinematic AI mode. This mode would enable the drone to navigate complex environments, like weaving through a dense forest at night, while keeping the subject perfectly framed without any pilot input. It's essentially a personal camera crew that fits in your palm. This will be combined with a new carbon fiber reinforced frame that maintains the sub-249-gram limit while significantly increasing wind resistance. Pilots have often complained that the Mini series feels flighty in high winds, but the Mini 6 Pro is expected to feature larger, more efficient motors and a redesigned propeller pitch that allows it to handle level 6 or even level 7 wind speeds, matching the stability of the Air series. Battery life is the final piece of the puzzle that has the community buzzing. Traditional lithium-ion tech has reached its limit, but rumors suggest DJI is experimenting with high-density, solid-state battery chemistry for the Mini 6 Pro.